Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a litmus paper or pH paper at home very easily. So first we will take roses. Here I have taken 2 roses and then separate petals from the roses. Here I have separated the petals from the roses. After that we will take some drops of lemon juice. Lemon juice is acidic in nature, and then we will take some baking soda, which is basic in nature. And now we will take detergent powder, which is also basic in nature. Now we will take a normal paper from notebook and rub the petals all over the paper to extract its juice. While extracting the juice, I will tell you the reason why roses act as a pH paper. Roses have anthocyanin substances that act as dye formers, so they can be used as indicators. The anthocyanin is stable and gives a bright color to acidic pH and will gradually lose color as the pH arises. Here I am almost done rubbing the petals, so our pH paper is ready. Now I am taking detergent powder to prepare a basic solution. I am mixing water with the detergent powder to prepare a basic solution. Stir it well. Our basic solution is ready. Now I am keeping it aside and going to make another basic solution. Here I have taken baking soda and water to mix another basic solution. Stir it very well. I have lemon juice, which is acidic nature. Now I am cutting the pH paper into pieces so that I can use it easily. Here I am taking a cotton bud to dip in the lemon juice and spreading it all over the pH paper, and see how it's changing its color from purple to red. As it has anthocyanin substance, it is giving a bright color in acidic solution. Now I am again doing the same process with the basic solution. I am dipping the cotton bud into the solution and spreading it over the pH paper. It has turned into blue. We all know that basic solutions turns pH paper into blue and acidic solution turns pH color into red. I have tried it with baking soda, detergent powder and lemon juice. Here I am showing you how it is actually changing its color when I am dipping the pH paper into the solution. Thank you so much everyone for having patience and for watching my video.